Good day. My name is Ziara Davis. I'm a pre-nursing major, and today I will be giving you 12 words and definitions from chapters 1 through 4. Chapter 1, Introduction to Medical Terminology. The three terms that I will give you are edema, appendectomy, and malaise. Edema. Edema is swelling caused by an abnormal accumulation of fluid in cells, tissues, or cavities of the body. Edema. Appendectomy. Appendectomy is the surgical removal of the appendix. Appendectomy. Malaise. Malaise is a word of French origin referring to a feeling of discomfort or uneasiness that is often the first sign or indication of an infection or other disease. Malaise. Chapter 2, The Human Body in Health and Disease. The three terms I will give you are body planes, abdominal pelvic cavity, and quadrant. Body planes. Body planes are imaginary vertical and horizontal lines used to divide the body into sections for descriptive purposes. Body planes. Abdominal pelvic cavity. The abdominal pelvic cavity refers to these two cavities as a single unit, the abdomen and the pelvic. Abdominal pelvic cavity. Quadrant. Quadrant means divided into four. The right upper quadrant, the right lower quadrant, the left upper quadrant, the left lower quadrant. Quadrant. Chapter 3, The Skeletal System. The three terms that I will give you are periosteum, manubrium, and osteoclasis. Periosteum. Periosteum is tough, fibrous tissue that forms the outermost covering of bone. Periosteum. Manubrium. Manubrium is the bony structure that forms the upper portion of the sternum. Manubrium. Osteoclasis. Osteoclasis is the surgical fracture of a bone to correct a deformity. Osteoclasis. Chapter 4, The Muscular System. The three terms that I will give you are myofascial, sphincter, and epicondylitis. Myofascial. Myofascial means pertaining to muscle tissue or fascia. Myofascial. Sphincter. Sphincter is a ring-like muscle that tightly constricts the opening of a passageway. Sphincter. Epicondylitis. Epicondylitis is inflammation of the tissues surrounding the elbow. Epicondylitis.
Hello, my name is Tiara Santafo. I'm a freshman at NSU. I am pursuing a bachelor's in health services, and I'm here to recite 12 medical terms along with their meanings from chapters 1 through 4. Starting with chapter 1, the three words that I will be reciting are infection, diarrhea, prenatal. Infection. An infection is the invasion of the body by a pathogenic, disease-producing organism. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is the frequent flow of loose or watery stools. Prenatal. Prenatal means the time and events before birth. Chapter 2. The three words that I will be reciting are anatomy, pandemic, and histology. Anatomy is the study of structures of the body. Pandemic. Pandemic refers to an outbreak of a disease occurring over a large geographic area, possibly worldwide. Histology. Histology is the microscopic study of the structure, composition, and function of tissues. Chapter 3. The words I will be reciting are osteoarthritis, podiatrist, and gout. Osteoarthritis, also known as wear and tear arthritis, is most commonly associated with aging. Podiatrist, a specialist that diagnoses and treats disorders of the foot. Gout, also known as gouty arthritis, is a type of arthritis characterized by deposits of uric acid crystals in the joints, usually beginning with the big toe. Chapter 4, the 3 words that I will be reciting are atonic, chronic fatigue syndrome, and pronation. Atonic. Atonic means lacking normal muscle tone or strength. Chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue is a disorder of unknown cause that affects many body systems. Pronation. Pronation is the act of rotating the arm or leg so that the palm or the sole of the foot is turned downwards or backwards.
And that will conclude our video presentation of vocabulary and definitions from chapters 1 through 4. Tiara and I thank you, and we hope you enjoyed.